Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to install the Visual Studio 2015. So go to the Chrome and copy and paste the link given in the comment section and scroll down and find the 2015 and click the download and click the subscriptions and click the join Visual Studio Dev Essentials. It's free, so don't worry about it. And once you started, subscribe and let's save the subscription ID just in case. There we go. And then let's click the Microsoft on the left top of the window and click the downloads and scroll down, find the Visual Studio 2015 update 3 with update 3 and then click the Visual Studio community and save it and open the file you just saved. Actually it's the execution file, so and waiting for the configuration. And just leave the default and install it. Make sure you have enough space. The 17 gigabytes is recommended. And once you are done installing it and click launch, if there's nothing happen, you can go to the search bar and type the Visual Studio 2015. It takes some time. Maybe they ask you to how you want to set up the interface and just choose whatever you want and go to the file and click the new and create a project. And also it takes some time, and at this point you need to install the extra tools to create the C++ project. So yeah, click the universal window platform tools and follow the instruction. It will give you the warning that you need to close the Visual Studio window you already opened. So yeah, you need to close the window and start installing the extra tool. So you can choose some few options. I would like to choose the class for C++ and some extra stuff. And maybe that's it. Or maybe Python, just in case. Yeah, so go to the next and make sure you have enough space in your local drive and click the update. It will take some time, maybe 20 or 30 minutes. And once you're done, reopen the Visual Studio 2015. Go to the file, and go to the new and create the project. Now you can create the C++ project. So for the next video, I'm gonna show how to install the OpenCV and how to connect the OpenCV with Visual Studio. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and hit the like button. Thank you.